Hi everyone, welcome you all to DOS Tech channel. Network devices in computer networks and its types. Hub, PC, NIC LAN card, switch, router, bridge, gateway, modem, repeater and firewall. Unshielded twisted pair UTP is a ubiquitous type of copper cabling used in telephone wiring and local area networks. There are 5 types of UTP cables identified with the prefix CAT as in category, each supporting a different amount of bandwidth. Types of UTP cables. The 5 categories of UTP cables. Cat3, rarely used today. Cat3 is usually deployed in phone lines. It supports 10 Mbps for up to 100 meters. Cat4, typically used in token ring networks. Cat4 supports 16 Mbps for up to 100 meters. Cat5, used in Ethernet-based LANs. Cat5 contains 2 twisted pairs. It supports 100 Mbps for up to 100 meters. Cat5e, used in Ethernet-based LANs. Cat5e contains 4 twisted pairs. It supports 1 Gbps for 100 meters. Cat6, used in Ethernet-based LANs and data center networks. Cat6 contains 4 tightly wound twisted pairs. It supports 1 Gbps for up to 100 meters and 10 Gbps for up to 50 meters. The most common connector used with the UTP cable is an RJ45. Hub. Hub is a network device. It is a hardware device. It is a brainless device. It is a non-manageable device. Via Hub we can create a LAN network. Via Hub we can communicate within a network, within a subnet. Hub provided continuous broadcasting. Hub is a physical layer device. Network hubs are best suited for small, simple local area network environments. Hubs cannot provide routing capabilities or other advanced network services. Because they operate by forwarding packets across all ports indiscriminately, network hubs are sometimes referred to as dumb switches. Switch. It is an intelligent device. It is a data link layer device. Switch learn MAC address. Switch work on MAC address. Via switch we can create a LAN setup within a subnet or within a network. Switch provide a conditional broadcasting. Switches are networking devices operating at layer 2 or a data link layer of the OSI model. They connect devices in a network and use packet switching to send, receive or forward data packets or data frames over the network. A switch has many ports to which computers are plugged in. When a data frame arrives at any port of the network switch, it examines the destination address, performs necessary checks and sends the frame to the corresponding device or devices. It supports unicast, multicast as well as broadcast communication. Router. It is a network layer device. Via router, we can connect 2 or more networks. It is used for long distance connectivity. Router works on IP addresses. Routers are networking devices operating at layer 3 or a network layer of the OSI model. They are responsible for receiving, analyzing and forwarding data packets among the connected computer networks. When a data packet arrives, the router inspects the destination address, consults its routing table to decide the optimal route and then transfer the packets along this route. IP address acts as an identifier for a specific machine on a particular network. An IP address consists of 4 numbers. Each number contains 1 to 3 digits, with a single dot separates each number or set of digits. IP addresses are not produced randomly. They are generated mathematically and are further assigned by the INA, Internet Assigned Number Authority, a department of ICANN. IP address is divided into 2 parts: prefix, suffix. The prefix part of IP address identifies the physical network to which the computer is attached. Prefix is also known as a network address. Suffix. The suffix part identifies the individual computer on the network. The suffix is also called the host address. An IP address is a 32-bit unique address having an address space of to the power 32. The 32-bit IP address is divided into 5 subclasses. These are class A, B, C, D, and E. Each of these classes has a valid range of IP addresses. Classes D and E are reserved for multicast and experimental purposes, respectively. The order of bits in the first octet determines the classes of the IP addresses. The IPv4 Address is divided into two parts: network ID and host ID. IP addresses belonging to class A are assigned to the networks that contains a large number of hosts. Class B is assigned to networks that range from medium-sized to large-sized networks. Class C are assigned to small-sized networks. IP address belonging to Class D is reserved for multicasting. Class D doesn't possess any subnet mask. NIC, Network Interface Card. A network interface card is a hardware component without which a computer cannot be connected over a network. It is a circuit board installed in a computer that provides a dedicated network connection to the computer. It is also called Network Interface Controller, Network Adapter or LAN adapter. NIC is used to convert data into a digital signal. In the OSI model, NIC uses the physical layer to transmit signals and the network layer to transmit data packets. Thank you for watching Broadcast channel. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.